hello. Family supermarket.
Family supermarket?
Boss, home delivery.
One Amul milk. When you'll give, boss?
Abhi home delivery full busy.
हिंदी में when IPL is there, तो pollution की वजह से ball नहीं दिखता. Now pollution is not here, पर IPL ही नहीं दिखता.
Mama, IPL will happen this year. See, Corona cannot finish IPL because best finisher is our Tala, Dhoni.
The first 1 week I was brain fried, man. With this whole lockdown thing, and I was like, dude, what am I supposed to do? Like, if I'm just going to keep doing bartan and cleaning the house and, making my bed, I'm going to be brain fried. So I was like, what do I do next? And then I started having phone conversations with my friends, like all of us initially, right? Like now I think even the phone calls have reduced, watching Netflix is reduced, everything, including washing hands, is reduced now. So I was speaking with my friends and the conversations are the same. So for some strange reason I said, okay, maybe I should just compile all of it and do like conversations with my friends. And then it just took off and I was like, oh, great. So now I have something to do. I started making content around that. Then one by one the sheet got added. I don't even know how the sheet came about because I was actually talking to a friend and his son told me Snapchat is great. So I was like, oh, okay, fine. And I didn't have a Snapchat account. I was like, great. So then I started making videos of the Bakri and the sheep. I just did it and then it happened. I think it just caught fire, like to a point where I have like I'm not kidding you, but the kind of people who followed me on Insta and all that stuff is just nuts. Just nuts. I did not think it would go that low. I just did it and then it happened. I think it just caught fire, like to a point where I have like I'm not kidding you, but the kind of people who followed me on Insta and all that stuff is just nuts. Just nuts. I did not think it would go that low. I just did it and then it happened. I think it just caught fire, like to a point where I have like I'm not kidding you, but the kind of people who followed me on Insta and all that stuff is just nuts. Just nuts. I did not think it would go that low. I just did it and then it happened. I think it just caught fire, like to a point where I have like I'm not kidding you, but the kind of people who followed me on Insta and all that stuff is just nuts. Just nuts. I did not think it would go that low. I just did it and then it happened. I think it just caught fire, like to a point where I have like I think the best compliment I've received is this lockdown is only working for one person. It's there on Twitter actually. I thought as I cracked up. Somebody else is like, hands down lockdown king. I was like, gaming. I used to love gaming and then I stopped gaming for a while and then I've gone back to it and that's a lot of fun. I finished playing a game called Red Dead Redemption. Now I'm playing the new Dawn of Horizon. Basically the Dawn of Horizon, the thing is, these are all games from last year, but I'm catching up with them now because you just get so busy with life sometimes that you just don't have time to game. You don't have time to these are games from 2018. I'm playing them now and I'm having so much fun playing them because, I'm transported to a different world. I'm living the journey of a different person, solving a different mission altogether. It's a lot of fun. I've been playing games. I started out watching a lot of shows and this and that, and then that's kind of worn out now. I'm just tired. I'm like, yeah, okay, fine. Visuals are just not interesting me anymore. I need a break. So I'm taking a break from that. I try and work out every day for 1 hour because I think that's important because just the fact that, and this is not like I'm not working out because I want to be fit and fine. It's not that. I'm working out because for me, my doctor, when I'd gone to the psychiatrist and then I was seeing a psychologist, well when I was going through my own anxiety problems. They said it's important to work out for me at least 1 hour a day because that kind of releases these endorphins, right? And they said that will make you feel better, fresher and nicer. So I just do that because it keeps my mental health in check, and then the physical just happens as a byproduct. My mom's unfreaking believable, and these voices like Razia and all that stuff, my mom does that stuff. My mom used to do it when we were kids. Like she used to imitate and I used to laugh. I used to love it. Like there was one aunt that she used to imitate. I used to go up to her and tell her, Mama, do that aunt's voice now. And she'll then do it and I used to be like, I used to love it. Right? So Mama used to do this voice as well. We have relatives. So I kind of picked it up from her and from them. And I've always been doing it. It was just about putting it in practice by wearing a dupatta. And then it happened. Just before the lockdown, sitting down at home, free, happy, I said, okay, let's do it. And I did it. Because Nagaraj, see, the thing is also Nagaraj, I've been doing Nagaraj for a while now. And I wanted to break away from it because I think I'm like, yeah, okay, fine. I've been there, done that. I know it's a pony that works, it's a trick that works. Now I can take this pony and I've already made a series with it, a film with it, a series with it. He's on his journey. I don't have to push him anymore. But there are so many others that I can experiment and play with. And I think, like somebody was telling me the other day that the reason why the 1 minute videos of conversations with friends and this and that works is they were telling me it reminds them of my prank calling days. Where I did accents, there were like quick stories, and it just led people imagining and thinking. Which is pretty cool, right? I mean, to just have that sort of a review to say that it looks like we've gone back in time. So I let Nagaraj be, and then the idea was Razia and other characters and how I could just utilize them in different ways. And I'm glad that it's all fallen and come together in its place. Nothing at all. So the idea was I would write somewhere in the course of time and then go figure it out. Now parallelly there is writing happening, of course. I'm working with Vamsi on a show, so he's writing a show right now. I'm working with Saad on a show where Saad is sitting and editing that show right now with his editor Bharat. So there is work happening parallelly. I think I'm right now just focused on doing what I know how to do best, which is to have fun. And then have like an extended childhood, do accents, throw little one-liners, make videos. I'm very happy because honestly telling you, like even if you write a show right now, and we are writing a show, right? I am writing a show. It's going to take a while before things can change and this and that. And I don't know. I feel like the internet entertainment is here to stay. Now it's about how well you utilize that 1 minute space. I'm looking at immediate. I'm not looking at long. Like 5 years later, I will have 20 scripts ready. Then I will go produce that. It's fascinating. It's amazing for people who are doing it. But I just feel like right now my immediate focus is to do content that is solo. I'm writing solo. I'm happy doing that. And I have friends who are writing other stuff. I'm like, hey, you guys write, I will come, I will involve, we will see where it goes, and then we will send it to, a platform to see what they think about the show. Like literally 2 days ago, I was on a Zoom call listening to a script that Vamsi has written. And he's done a fantastic job. He's done a great job. Now, where does that show go next? Right? That's a journey that I don't know when that journey is going to start. So I'm focused on what journey I'm living right now, which is this. And I'm assuming this is going to be live for another couple of weeks, months. I don't know. What we have done outside the family supermarket is we have made little boxes and circles. So the idea is for you to park your legs inside the boxes or the circles. But you people, you are not listening that also. All of you want to jump out of the box. My request, please, in this time, don't do anything creative and out of the box. Do something inside the box. Stay there. Nobody wants your creativity. Nagaraj. ತಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ dear friends. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ನಾಗರಾಜ್ ಅಂತ. ನೋಡಿ, in this time of corona, I only have one request. Kindly everybody turn into politicians.
Just hide. Don't come out. Stay inside your home. Don't meet poor people, rich people, nobody. Just stay chill. That is the politician's life, and that is the safest life in Corona times.